this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to change your password of your Instagram app. So if you want to change the password of your Instagram app, first you need to open your Instagram app, and now you can see that you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to choose the security option, and here under security option you need to click on password. Once you click on password, an email to reset your password will be sent to your email. We need to open our email. Let's see. You can see that we had received this email from Instagram. In order to reset our password, we need to click on reset password. Now a pop-up window will be open, and you can see that here option of resetting your password will be given. We need to enter our new password, like we will enter this password 2 times, and after entering this password you can see that reset password option will be given. Once you click on reset password, your this password will be saved now, and whenever you want to log in on your Instagram you can use this password. So I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to change the password of your Instagram app. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.